Welcome back, sis. If you want to see how I did my eyebrows, stay tuned. All right, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today we're about to do an eyebrow tutorial. I personally, I don't like to get my eyebrows done. I really love like a messy look. Girl, I barely clean up under my eyebrows really. But it'll pretty much get everything that you need. I use like a regular hair store pencil. If you want to go like high end, I really love MAC's classic pencil. MAC's spike pencil, that's my favorite. Need an angled brush, a little brush thingy, you know what that's called. And I'm using Pro Concealer. Pro Concealer. Using that, a little bit of hairspray to brush your brows in place, and a little bit of foundation. I'm using Revlon Color Stay. I'll list everything in the description box. So I have a clean face. I had on makeup yesterday, so I had to wash my face. I do have my skincare routine that I did, so you can see how I did that prior. I like to use mascara as well. I love the Stiletto Lash Mascara. This is like a classic. Like I remember being in middle school, getting this mascara and getting in trouble for wearing makeup. This was my go-to mascara. So I always start by brushing out my brows. It can be kind of harsh, so just be careful. How you can't see right there, but don't worry, you can always fix it. You take your little spoolie and just kind of like brush it out a little bit. Like there's so many tricks. Like even if you mess up on your brows, you can always fix it. So yeah, I like to have like a bold eyebrows. I like having bold eyebrows, like strong brows. I think the eyebrows makes the face. And then I just fill it in, like that. I really like to get dark brown. Don't use black because that just makes it look even more harsh and fake. But then I just naturally fill it in, like that. Just naturally fill it in. Excuse my little hair scarf is falling off. I'm about to go to lunch with my man and his godmom. So, ooh, see, it looked like kind of jacked up, not even. But anyways, I just like fill it in my natural brow shape for the most part. And then you're just gonna clean it up like with the concealer. I know it look kind of sloppy, but, and like, depending on how I'm feeling is like the kind of brows like I create. So like, I don't think I could necessarily ever do like the, what they call, brow tinting or something like that, shading, where they tap the brows on, because I always like to switch up my eyebrow look. Why am I being interrupted? I'm shooting a YouTube video.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This her husband here. She just had edible raisin, and she.
Y'all don't mind him. He doing most. Okay, so yeah, I always feel like I have like an uneven face, so my brows will be different on each side, but whatever. So yeah, and then I just brush it out. I just love flared out brush brows. They might look uneven, but you know what? We're gonna clean it up. My concealer in Toffee. Clean it up. So just carve out your natural brow shape. Like I love a nice little arch. Just carve it out. Simple, right? Nice and simple. If you make a mistake, you can always take your pencil and just fill it in. Or even going with the mascara and then, you know, fill that in. But I don't want your man. Your man's been calling me. Trying to get me to see that he wants me to be with him. But he ain't the one for me. I don't know if y'all can hear my music playing in the background. I love me some Keisha. Okay. That was sixth grade me. It's sweet. You know when that song came out with Keisha, Miss Yelling, Lil' Kim? 6th grade me was jamming, okay? Looking up the lyrics and everything. Talking about if he ain't gonna love you the way you should, let him go. And I know a damn thing about it. So these are a little thick, so I like to take setting spray and I spray it. Like a palm on setting spray. Oh yeah, so I have some Max Fix Plus. So just take some setting spray, spray on the brush, and then, you know, damp it up a little bit, and then just blend that concealer in. Blend, blend, blend. Just blend it. If you have lashes, you have to be very light with the concealers, but I'm not wearing lashes right now, so I'm just putting the concealer all over my eye. But you know, the lashes will fall out, you know, from the oils and everything, so you got to be very careful if you have lashes. But me, no lashes right now. So, and the reason I put a lot of concealer on there is because the eyeshadow that I'm gonna put on, I just want it to pop. So, you know. So make sure you blend it. Blending is key. Kind of like you're painting a canvas and you just want to have a very smooth canvas. So the setting spray helps to give you that smooth canvas. You see how clean and sharp under my eyes are? So that's what we want. We want clean, sharp under eyes. So then next I take my foundation, brush like this. I take the foundation and I put some on my arm, my hand. And I don't like the highlighted look on top, so I take that and then I just clean that. Clean it. Clean it up like that. And you see how it blends into my skin? It doesn't look super fake or anything. That's what I want. And, you know, clean up in the middle. It's where it looks. Then do the other side, natural. And then if it doesn't come out the way you want, like, feel free to fix it, you know? Make it look sharp. Do the other side. Blend out. If you want more of a sharp look, you can always take the concealer and put it like, clean the top off, but then you can go back with the foundation and you can go over it. So like, if you want to go take the concealer and clean the top of it, clean it out, like shape it out, go back over with the foundation and then cover the concealer, so it doesn't look so like highlighted. You see? Pretty simple, pretty easy. So another cool little trick I like to do, I like to take the concealer, put some on my arm, just a little tiny bit. Take my blending brush And I like to put a little bit of concealer in front of my eyebrows and kind of blend it a little bit, so I can give that faded kind of appearance. Be very careful with this. I like to fade the front of my eyebrows a little bit. You can always take your brush and brush them back out as well. You know, touch it up as you go. You know, if something like doesn't come out the way you want it, just, you know, brush it out a little bit. I like to keep brushing, brush them out, touch them up until you get it right. You know, touch up till you get it right. You know, it's okay to mess up. And you can, you know, always clean the outside of it. Brush that out. Like longer hairs, I'll lightly take the mascara. I'm not gonna do that eye because that eyebrow is perfect for me, but you know. And put some hairspray on my spoolie, and I'm gonna spray my brows in place, so, and let them dry. Keep it that. Spray them in place. You can clean up under here if you want, but I will clean up under there later. You can make your brows be a little messy. I kind of like them messy and long. The mascara like gives, you know, makes them your hairs longer. So you can do that like that. But if you want like a nice faded look, you know, you can put a little bit of concealer in the front, you know. So your eyebrows don't look so harsh in the front, you know, like that. And that is essentially it. These are my brows. Eventually, doing my eyeshadow and everything, I'll take, you know, powder. I'll take the powder and, you know, put it on my eyelids and stuff. And then put the eyeshadow on my eyes and everything. And then, you know, go from there and then do my whole face. I always start with my eyebrows. Like, I don't put my makeup on first, then do eyebrows. I don't do that. But some people do, but I find this to be better to start with eyebrows. But yeah, so essentially that's it. Nice and simple. Eyebrows, nice and simple brows. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll come back to you guys and show you the final look. I'll see y'all later. It's the final look of makeup. Cute, right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.